What's going on, everybody? Today we'll be reacting to Seagulls Stop It Now, a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. This is from Star Wars, and I've watched it a few times. It's pretty hilarious, and let's just go get into it. Okay, Seagulls, stop it now.
For your thoughts. I hate
Yoda?
Brenda, and a bad guy
Luke
hit me in the
Skywalker?
shin, and I peed all in my pants.
A little music can't help.
Wow.
Rockin' and rollin'.
Rockin'
Down
and
to the beach
rolling.
I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head.
But the seagulls?
I said seagulls.
I know
Stop
that.
it now.
Okay.
Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, hook me in the coconut.
Okay.
And they did. And they did. Had me going
Cool.
like,
Looks like what the? What the? What the heck?
Yeah, when these birds attacked me, when I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing.
Did Yoda actually do this in The Empire Strikes Back? Because I haven't seen it before.
Where'd it come from? Now run.
I don't know.
I can be a backpack while you run,
Whoa.
jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
Looks like great.
Your giant feet.
Yeah, looks like
Out there on
nah.
the beach. Could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Why is Yoda hitting R2-D2?
Please, don't hit me.
What?
Please, don't hit me.
Does R2-D2 even speak? I mean talk?
What's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds are back.
Okay.
Now run, jump. I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be a backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift. Box with your special gift. Run, jump. Now
Yeah, he's using a force. Like,
one day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child.
what the?
Listen, boy, someday when
Oh,
you
I like
older, you crooked hit
like Yoda's expression. Like screws up his face.
screaming, come help me, please, the seagulls.
Okay.
Both your knees.
Really? Have you been attacked by seagulls before, guys?
Stop it
I
now.
haven't. Or almost did. But I can see R2-D2 in the
Whatever, you're
background.
sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man. I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Okay, that was weird, but thanks for watching, guys. Remember to leave a like and remember to subscribe if you're new as well, and we'll see you in the next video.